Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 1968 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL Pagoda. Hop in, we'll do a cold start, and we'll tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are, 1968 Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. They're also known as the Pagoda series. We'll give the one pump to set the ignition, the injection pump. Fires right up beautifully. We'll warm her up and we'll be back to you. All right, we got a little temp in the 68 280 SL Pagoda here. Shifting very well. Steering response is great. I don't know if you can tell, great exhaust note there. Right up through all the gears. All the gauges working. Got a great Becker Europa 2 radio. Air conditioning. Really feels good, even at speed. Great top-down motoring. This car also has a hardtop. This was a factory California black plate car. Black hardtop, red, black interior, original colors. Another option was that left side mirror. We'll come up to the S's and we'll be back to you. All right, come up through the S's here. Again, good steering response, brakes feels good, good power. Nice tight 280 SL. We'll get up here, we'll drop jack off and do some flybys. Well, hope you guys enjoyed those. Again, I definitely did. Really, she drives very well. Shifts well. Great oil pressure. Nice 280 SL Pagoda series, as they call them. The evolution of these cars trace it all the way back to the 190 SLs. This is the final iteration of the Pagoda in a 280 SL, 2.8 liter, straight six. We'll come up here to Farm Road and we'll open up a little bit. Okay, so here we go. Come up to the Farm Road here. Get on a little bit. Pulls really well. I don't know if you can hear a great exhaust note from that straight six. Great shifting. Really cruises really well. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment below if you'd like as well. And we will catch you on the next one.